Thank you, Elizabeth, for those tips for success on working ahead on being a better student in this online class. Hello, my name is David, and I would like to talk to you about tip number 3, how to balance your school as well as your family. There's not enough time in the day where your family needs you as well as your school. So see, school takes a whole lot on you, a lot of stress. Family could be stressful as well, but it's hard to juggle both of them. But you know something? They're manageable. It can be done. So how can we get this done? By including your family into your schoolwork. Never thought about that, huh? Your family is very, very important because your family wants to see you succeed. How does success happen? Get everybody involved. When you get them all involved, there's a great opportunity and a great chance for you to be successful. Doesn't take that much, but yet, in order for you to be successful, you got to be able to include your family into your work. And by including your family into your work, you know something? You can do a good job. Sometimes you got to think outside the box. Meaning, what do you mean by thinking outside the box? Well, if you could take the success that you are trying to achieve and get your family involved in it, then guess what? Both of you guys can be successful. Not only are you teaching yourself, but you could be teaching your loved ones about things, of making things happen as well. So listen, we all have weaknesses. Let's make this a strength that we can take with us every day of our lives. So it could be with school, your family, or even at work. It's hard to juggle all of those at one time. And as you juggle those, here's the thing. Juggles sometimes fall. In fact, there are many things that your family can help you with, as they can also get something out of this. And what that means by once they see you succeed and they're successful, you're successful. So listen, as you balance your time with your family, make time for school easier to have them involved with you. So now I'm going to pass this on to Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, take it away.